In this video, I want to show you a really simple way to find really great products to sell on Amazon and to stimulate your creative process to think about some different products before putting them through the normal kind of due diligence process that I teach you how to do on this channel. By the way, if you're not a subscriber yet, you might want to consider subscribing because I teach you heaps of different things to help you make muchos cashola on Amazon. All right, so let me show you this really simple strategy to come up with heaps and heaps of different product ideas. Let's go. On Amazon, we have all these different categories of things going on, okay? These are all our top level categories, and search engines like Amazon are all laid out pretty much the same kind of way. And this particular thing here is called a taxonomy, okay? This is their search taxonomy. And all that really means is it's the categories, but Amazon calls them nodes. It's the categories that things go into so that Amazon can sort everything out behind the scenes and present to the customer the most relevant searches for their particular search, okay? So this is Amazon's taxonomy. Like if we're going to here, that's level 2 of the taxonomy. And then if we go in a little bit further, you know, we can go cookware and storage and blah, blah, blah. But you can go even further into it than that, of course. Appliances becomes all these different things, okay? So different levels within its own thing. There is no master list of Amazon's product browse nodes, their own taxonomy. There is no master list of that. There used to be in the developer portal, but they took it out, unfortunately, which sucks. So how can you get ideas for products to sell from that? Well, you may not realize it, that Google has its own shopping thing, Google Shopping, and there it is. So if you just type into Google taxonomy, that's it there, okay? As you can see, I'm on it all the friggin' time. And it's a really cool thing. You will get some crazy, crazy ideas for things to sell. And you can see, look, there's like heaps of different things to sell. It's in all different categories. And this, I think, one of the most difficult things to try and figure out when you're thinking of product categories to get into is just wrapping your head around the diversity of different stuff to sell out there. You know what I mean? Like welding helmets. Who would have thought that welding helmets would have been a thing? You know what I mean? Do they sell on Amazon? So welding helmets sell on Amazon, and it looks like, certainly according to that, they sell really, really well. Welding helmets sell really well. I would never, ever have thought about that as something to sell. See the bulletproof vests, panel beating stuff. Absolutely. We'll do bulletproof vest next. So as a way of coming up and stimulating your ideas, I think that's a really cool thing to do. You can also then use it because you can go and look at directly on Google because this is their taxonomy. Let's use high price stuff. You can then use it to go and get some ideas about products to sell as well. Remember, these are always sorted by best selling and most relevant things, okay? Because Google, keep saying Amazon, Google wants to sell you stuff because it gets paid. These are all basically affiliate websites for Google. That was a video from the regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie online entrepreneurs. There's over 2,500 of us now, not just here in Australia, indeed right around the world, and growing. We're the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce entrepreneurs, certainly here in Australia. Sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, a couple of different ways of doing that. Of course, you should absolutely subscribe to this channel, post brand new money making information each and every day, but you should also get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, or you can just Google that, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and then you'll find us that way too. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. But remember to subscribe, and if you've got any questions or comments, comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, bye.